There it is, guys, up here at the house. We took it to car wash. That's a car wash about, I don't know, a mile or two from us. Took it up there, sprayed it off. I got everything cleaned out of the back of it. Got it sprayed off. I'm gonna give it a real washing tomorrow. Just power washed it up, or power blasted it up there. Did good on the way up there. Turned around, it's just a rocks throw. I mean, literally, anybody can see the gas station from the, well, if you're in the area, it's the Tinga car wash, and then we was up there at Triple C. But it's just, I don't know, 100 yards or so from the car wash. Turned around, went to Triple C, put some new high test in it. It had some old raw 87 in it. That was pretty old. Went fired up. It's got way too much timing in it. It's kicking back on the starter, having a hard time starting because it had already heated up. Got it lit off. Drove here to the house, about, like I said, about a mile or two back here. Did good, and I was like, well, let's take it back on the road, see if it'll box it up, because I don't think it will. With timing the way it is, carburetor the way it is, and then these sticky Mickey Ickies on it, sticky Icky Mickeys, these 255 Mickey Thompson Pros. So, pull it back out on the road. We go to our spot, just, I don't know, half a mile from the house here. Turn around, start back, let some traffic kind of, flow around us, go past us. Stop in the middle of the road, and as we're stopping, boom, dies. Got to start it back up. Dead battery. Well, it wasn't dead immediately, but it died after we'd started on it because it still didn't want to start back because it's so hot and kicking back on the starter and all that. So we get out, push it about 250 yards from the house here, get it pushed in the driveway. Nephew goes and gets his jump box, jump it off, fire it up, bring it back around here, and this is where she sits. All that sounds like, well, I mean, all that is negative, but man, I was just excited to be out on the road in it. And everybody knows that messes with cars, you don't mess with them for this next thing I'm fixing to say, but it's always like icing on the cake. So we're at the gas station. Well, we pull in the car wash, and there's a bunch of people up there. Nephew says everybody's eyeballing us. I mean, it makes racket, it looks the car, it sounds the car. Ain't all that fast, but it makes racket, and it has lowered on some wheels. Makes that V8 rumble. Pull in, blast it off. Go to the gas station, get some gas. As soon as I get out of the truck, guy next to us says, let's think about what he said a minute. Something, if a Ranger sounds like that, you've done it right, or something like that. And it surprised me because he was just kind of like right there, and I opened my passenger door. I said, we just got it done. We just got it finished and on the road. He said, well, it sounds like you got it. What'd he say? Sounds like you got it now that he'd kill you. So, I mean, takeaway is all that bad stuff happened, all that stuff went wrong. I mean, it's just tuning, dial time back tomorrow. I got a different carburetor I'm gonna put on it, but all that negative, but I mean, just that one compliment, all them heads turning makes it worth it, makes it worthwhile. Like I say, everybody knows we don't do this for the looks, we don't do this for the compliments. We do it for ourselves, but it's nice when somebody realizes the work you've put into one and appreciates it. So, I don't know, that's my takeaway. Enjoy the heck out of the old truck. Can't wait to get the 347 slammed together and my transmission, get it dropped off in here, and have some more fun in it. But for now, I'm gonna chip away at it, and we'll dial time back just a little bit tomorrow, just by feel. I'm just gonna loosen the distributor up and just give it a little turn. And that should that should solve the starting back. I don't really think the carburetor's out of tune. When we had it running here the other day, it was idling like a 14.3, 14.5 AFR. So I don't think the carburetor's off. Well, not at idle anyways. It's always run good before. But now the mechanical advance in the distributor might need touched up because I got a new distributor in it. I'm making this video way too long. Thank y'all for tuning in. Blind Luck Mechanic. Follow me on TikTok, YouTube. That's it. Thank y'all for watching. I got so excited I didn't get no videos of us taking it down the road. Oh, another thing, I forgot when we left out of here with the rev limiter set at 4,000, and it had so much timing in it. And well, it had so much time in it, and it's on that raw 87 that it was pinging. It was pinging it like half throttle. So we just eased it up the road and eased it back down here. We was gonna try to do that burn out, but that's probably for the best that it died and we didn't. But peace, thank y'all for watching and stay tuned.